from not by yung pinagbuhatan Pasig City, we enter to Kinit, pinagbuhatan and Taytay guys. So etong dinadaanan namin, which is going po ito patungo dun sa C6, which is makikita nyo din dito yung mga, ito yung tinatawag nilang talipapa dito which is madami kayong makikita mga paninda, all kinds of daily needs, mostly nandito na sa Kinit. Ay, ang Kinit na ito guys ay isa po siyang sa boundary ng Taytay at saka Pasig. So if you saw this area guys, in the right side is Pasig and the left side is Taytay. Taytay Rizal. So now we are entering an C6 area, which is going from Taguig. At napahinto tayo saglit dito guys dahil sa checkpoint. So nakakaantong ka may checkpoint guys. After that, the road C6 guys, we enter going from Taguig Tuktukan.
Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated, what is wrong, what is my problem, what can I get out of this world that I created, fighting storms in my head, don't know where I have been, I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands, shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no.
So now guys, we are entering the Pateros Municipality, which is this is belong also from Manila, but ito yung pinakamaliit na place here in the NCR.
In my head I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, 'cause I wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain and rain. I turned nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions. Cause I do what I gotta do and I know can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to break my mind and see that I'm cooler than living so nicely. All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, 'cause I wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Shout out everyone. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa sa vlog natin for today. At saka credit ito kay Road Trip Anywhere Vlog. So I hope you will subscribe to his channel guys. I'll put the link down below. And maraming salamat talaga. So see you by next vlog guys.